I'm Felix, CEO and co-founder of DyeMansion. This year our slogan is Future Up Your Factory, and that's our offer to the customers to help them to bring their factory to a higher industrial level. So in my opinion, connectivity is the core essence of a digital factory. So when we talk about industrialization, we always need to talk about connectivity. And there we had a lot of efforts in the last years to bring a solution to the market. There we have two approaches. One approach is our Data Connect, where it's an OPC UA connector for our customers, where they can connect their machines directly to the MES system. And our other solution is our Workflow Center, and there our customers can have all our machines as a standalone system where they can track the progress of the machines, can also access data. And these two options show the efforts that we are doing in this direction, but we are also doing this together with partners. So we already have different proof of concepts in this field. As of today, we have proof of concepts with Materialize CO-AM, Octon and Sigma Additive. And for the general infrastructure that we use is Siemens automation technology, because Siemens is our big partner when it comes to connectivity and digitalization of the whole factory. So together with our partners, we are working on easy to adopt solutions for customers. So it's really about connecting the whole process chain and delivering whole product solutions to the market, because we believe that collaboration and whole product solutions will drive adoption, especially when it comes to industrialization.